Christmas carols down the street. Underneath the mistletoe, my teardrops melt the snow. Baby, won't you please come home? Been too long, you gotta know. So much joy that we'll have. Gonna share the gift of love. Will you be here on Christmas Eve? Here on Christmas Day with no.
I think this is spoonless. I've always wanted a spoonless. It's not bad for 10 pounds. Rona, this is so loud.
Here on Christmas Day with no one else I'd rather keep me warm.
Rona, the remote, please. Rona, too loud. I'm telling you, it's too loud. You're shouting. It's too loud, love.
Everyone's living festive time, but I sing all alone.
This is so cute. It is cute, Rona. It's for you. It's so cute. I like it. Do you like it, Rona? Rona, do you like it? Busy. It has a little bow tie as well, Rona. I think it's very cute. I think this for Rona as well. Let me see. It's nice. Oh, this is cute, Rona. Oh, baby boy. This is so nice. I like it. I think this is Rona's as well. Rona, you have a lot of things in here for you. This is nice. So I got this because Rona has this same pen. I got it here from, is it Rocco Suits in UK? And I saw it in Shein. I'm like, oh, I and his brother can do 2020. So I got this one for him. That one has a, what's it called? A blazers as well, a waistcoat. So it's gonna be really nice actually for both of them to wear. If I can convince Rona to put on blazers or suits this period, he loves track suits more than blazers. So what's this one? What have I bought it? Rona has been a good boy and he has off his TV. So I bought this for the corner of the kitchen. You know the kitchen, there's always a gap. I don't know, mine all the while being UK. There's always a gap in between the stove and the worktop of the cabinet. So, and food used to go in there, used to annoy me. It annoys me a lot because I have to use toothpick to remove it most of the time because I don't like seeing it. So I got this. I just hope it's not cash for it. I just hope it's safe, but I got it to fill the gaps. So it's 3 gaps. I got 3. So let me see how many of them. Really? Yeah. So there's a second one. I don't know if it's the same size. Okay. It's almost the same size though. I don't understand, chat. It's almost the same size. And this is the third one. That's piece
Christmas.
Lord. If I could cover it up, I'll be so happy. If it's useful. So the sides and the back of it. And what else do I have? Okay, I just got some couple of, is it ring or earrings now? I don't know. Let me see. What's it? Okay, it's for hair. For request braid. So if I braid her hair, it's like a hair accessory. Let me see. It's a hair accessory actually.
So much joy.
So you could just put it. It's so cute. Oh, can you see, guys? So beautiful. You just clip it to the hair. So you open up this little space and clip it to the braids. It's really beautiful. Let me keep it aside so I don't lose it. What else did I have? Oh, and I got this ring I was talking about. My hands are so ashy right now. So forgive me. I've been washing and washing plates all day. But this is rings a lot. I like for these tiny rings for the finger. I really do like them. So I got a bunch of them. Random sets. I think it's about £1 if I'm not mistaken. Rona, can we get wood? Rona. Keep quiet. Rona. Let me get wood. Rona. Mwah. So there's a lot of, because it's very easy to displace. I got a lot.
That buried the blue team. When it came time to choose nominees, DeMarco did his best to defend himself.
Thank you, Mr. Man. Thank you.
Accessibility shortcuts.
Thank you, Rona. So I got some earring as well. Oh, I'm having a headache. So extra, I don't know. It's really cute. It's a bow earring. I think it's cute.
Here on Christmas Day, with no one else.
Okay, what's next? I got this to decorate the Christmas table. So it's a cutlery. What's it called? Cutlery what? I can't remember the name right now. But you put your forks and knives and cutleries into it. It's so cute, guys. So lovely. So I got this. It's nice. And it costs less. It's less than £2 as well. And it was free shipping, so I got it back. So this is the last thing I got. Look at this thing. This is the last thing I got. Let me see. I can't remember. What's this? What did I buy? Bye. Oh, this is so cute.
Cover just in case. We'll have a look at his dance, everyone. Let's hear you. So there's quite a few scratches and scars there. Cats. I don't know how much closer we can get, but those look quite fresh. If I'm not mistaken, it almost looks like along his spine. I can see a bit of teeth there.
So I got this set for Ute. Yes, it has this a coin bag, wristwatch, bracelets. I think it has necklaces and something I sing. Let me see what's in there. It's so cute. So I got it for her. I'm going to put it into a Christmas pack. I'm not going to give her now. Christmas is coming. Anything I buy for her is going to go to. It's going to be in the Christmas box. Yeah. Oh, this is so cute. So it's a little pony necklaces. So I love little ponies a lot. And this is a bracelet, I think. What is it? It should be a bracelet, I think. It is a bracelet. Yep, it has little pony. And it has the earrings as well. Of little ponies. So this is a really lovely gift. And I like the pack it came in. It's so beautiful, so adorable. The pack is adorable, guys. Look at the pack. It has everything in it. It's nice. I really love it. So that's it, guys. That's all. I was occupied with one of the bags, so that's why you can hear him. Yeah. So this is it. So cute, right? Such a cute gift. So So I like the thing is, I don't know. When I was opening the gifts, you guys couldn't hear me because Ronald was busy with his radio. This smells funny. I really can't put plastic or alcohol. I can't put. This smells funny. Apart from that, every other thing is nice. But this smells funny. So I'm gonna be keeping them away, and also I'm having a headache, so I'm gonna take some drugs and then try and light them. This guy's been fed, so I'll try and light them a bit. Then when I get up, I'll try and fix this. Since I'm trying to decorate my kitchen, so I'm buying things little bit by bit. Yesterday I got the handles from Amazon, little gold handles from Amazon, but I didn't really measure the holes of my cabinet, so it's a bit smaller. So that means I have to drill another hole on the door of the cabinet. That's another work, extra work for me, but okay, we'll see how it goes though. We'll see how it goes. Stop it, what you doing? Stop it. So for now guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in my next video, okay? Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, share and like. Thank you guys.